So, hello guys, and today is Independence Day. So, I thought of just teaching you guys how to make a Indian flag on Rubik's Cube. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. So, I have two cubes here to show you guys. So, first, we have green side, orange side. We need obviously four colors. So, we'll move the green side to the orange side so that it matches. Then now this is the major part. You have to go to the right side of the orange and green side which we made. You have to bring the white layer down, middle layer. Turn the right like this and move two times and back. Then we'll move this back. So we have the main the flag here, but we need the Ashok chakra. So we'll just move the white layer here or this side, and then we'll just push this guy and back. So our flag is ready. I'll just explain you once again. So what we'll do is we'll move the green side towards the orange side. We'll move to the right side of the orange and green piece which we made. Bring the white middle layer down. Make the turn the right side. One, two, back, and one, two. Sorry, one. So we have the major portion here. What we have to do is move this towards the left or right and insert the Ashok chakra and back. That's all for today. If you like this video, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. So see you in the next one. Thank you.